What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Now the reason that we use the $25 business to promote is because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. It does not go down on the second month. 80% recurring income. So if you're an affiliate marketer, this is the product to promote. Fantastic deal. If you're brand new to the system, you're brand new and you want to try to make money online, this works for you as well. The simplest way I have found to make money online is achieved in this video. All right, guys. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right. So first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. Looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page. I want to show you guys that I refreshed the page. I'm not going to cut so you guys can understand these are real results. I'm just showing you exactly what's happening for me with this particular method. Okay, I did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and not a big deal at all, right guys? Totally fine, not a big deal. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. First thing first, I want to get you your links. All right, so your links, and I'm gonna show you my link. The link that I promote in particular is this one here while I'm on the page. That's the one I promote. You can use any link that you want. I just like using this one. This is the one I got all my success from. All right, so first you want to promote your links. All right, so the first thing you want to do is click on that link in the description. Say step 1 or something like that, incommespeaks.com. You click on it, it's going to take you to a page, a little something like this. All right, so what this page is basically the sales letter for the $25 business, guys. Talks about what it is, how it does, how much money it makes, blah blah blah, so on and so forth, right? And essentially, if you guys are interested, the $25 business is essentially a funnel builder. And what that is like a series of websites to get you to buy something, right? Long story short. And the most popular funnel builder out there is ClickFunnels, which is over $100 a month, you know, with crazy limitations as well. And this is $25 a month. You save a ton of money just moving over to this system anyway. Even if you don't promote it, it's a really good product. It's what I'm trying to stress. All right, guys. So you also can make $20 commissions and $100 monthly commissions, and that's off of each customer. There's any chance the customer will upgrade sometimes they don't, but you can make up to $120 off of each customer, guys, and that's a fantastic deal. You get 10 people in, that's rent money for most people, or at least a good portion of it, and some people can live off of that as well. Like you in the southern states, you can live off of $1,200, and that's all there is to it, guys. They also get a charity if you're interested in that as well. So anyway, you could just look this over, decide you want to try this out. Click on one of these green buttons once you're done though, and say, hey, I want to try this out. Put in your basic information, get the product, blah blah blah, right? All right, so the first thing you want to do, guys, is one thing I want to show you guys is that if you use my link, you will get something called HBA Premium, which gives you a 14-day free test drive. All right, guys. Now what HBA Premium is, it's basically training on how to get this promoted, how to promote products, how to promote this product on every website you could think of: Facebook ads, Facebook groups, YouTube, podcasting, blogging, LinkedIn, solo ads, TikTok, Instagram, so on and so forth, right? And it teaches you how to promote this product, and it's constantly updated. This is the thing, it's constantly updated because rules change on these social media websites, and you have to change up how you do things to get it to promote correctly. Like some words get banned, something changes every time, and maybe this costs too much money to promote like this now, stuff like that. So that's one thing it is about. And so I want to stress this, guys. It's constantly updated because of that. And don't ever buy a training program or a course or anything like that if it's not constantly updated. rules change, cause you could buy a course and then like rules change quick. What worked in TikTok last year ain't gonna work in TikTok this year. So if you bought a TikTok course last year, you messed up. It ain't gonna work. So that's what I'm trying to say. You gotta buy something that's constantly updating. So yeah, and they also have an AI content creation machine, which is really cool. It helps you make content, so on and so speak. Also, which is really cool, the coolest thing about this system is that you get this free test drive and you get a sale with this product, HBA Premium. You keep that $100. So, cause like I said before, it's 80% recurring income. You keep $100 every month if you can get that, which is absolutely fantastic. All right, guys. So first and foremost, we got the product, right? You got your links. Now it's time to promote it. And what I'm about to show you is the absolute easiest way to promote this product that I have ever found. There's nothing easier. And I'm going to show it to you guys now. All right, so first and foremost, you want to click on that second link on my description there. It's going to say My Lead Gen Secret, something like that. You click on it, take you to this page here. But this page here is My Lead Gen. All right, guys. What My Lead Gen Secrets is you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. Long story short, they're very interested in making money. They're very cold leads. All right, so that means you got to constantly email them. All right, over and over and over again. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna load up the next email that we're gonna send that ChatGPT has helped us write. All right, and it's already in my system, so we're just gonna pick it. So this is all we really need to do. Come in the system, pick the next email, load it up, and boom, you got an email to send. All right, guys. Really cool, really cool. ChatGPT wrote this email, by the way. Now, if you've been watching this series since like I started it, you already know ChatGPT. You've seen me getting the email and writing it and putting it in and whatever. All right, so what you're going to do is hit perfect timing. That's going to send the email around the time that people check emails. All right, guys. And I'm gonna hit preview. One reason is to check and see if my link works. You want to check and see if your link works, because if it don't work, that means it don't work for people who are looking at it. They want to buy it, they can't buy it because the link doesn't work. So you kind of screwed right there. And you also, what you want, I clicked on this because you can copy the email if you wish to copy this email, guys. I don't really mind at all. ChatGPT helped me write it. They can make hundreds of these, so it's not a really big deal for me. And I just want to help you guys, show you emails that kind of work, you know, for this type of system. It's a lot more short, clickbaity type stuff that works really good. That's what you should send people emails, man. Think about it yourself. You read an email and it's super long, you're not even interested no more. You need something a little short to get to the point real quick. So that's why I think these emails work so well. And I think it worked well on me too, like comparably to a really long one. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to that. We're gonna send the email and we are done. That's all it takes, guys. You just do that every day, you're good. Consistency though, you gotta keep doing it every day, or you miss a day or something, you might not make anything, but you gotta keep it up. That's one thing you gotta learn, guys. If it's to make money online, no matter what the program is, you need to stay consistent. You gotta do it every single day. Whatever they say do it every single day. Like whatever it is, write an article, do something, whatever it is that you're trying to do it every single day to make sure it works. But it probably does work for most cases. You probably can make money doing it. You just got to be really consistent. And don't ever give up. Just keep posting. One day, whatever you post is gonna go viral. And when that post goes viral, cha-ching, you ain't gotta worry about money for the rest of your life. All right, guys, so that's all it is. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.